So the first step was to install that pedal spacer. The next step is to install this different shift knob. I think it's going to be a big difference. I'm not sure if it's going to work 100%. I'm going to test it out for you guys, and if it does, I'll put a link to this. If not, I'll have to order a different shift knob. We'll take a look, but I'll show you guys how to quickly get this done. All right, here we go. That was easy. Then you get your 14mm. There it is. So apparently you got to just keep twisting it if the nut won't let go, and then you get to the top and this will come off, and then you can rethread the nut. Not too bad, actually really easy. Just keep going. If it won't let go, just keep on going. It'll come off eventually. Pretty cool. There's a big weight difference between this knob and this knob. Huge weight difference. Let me show you. First, take a look at the height difference. This is just a ball. This is a tapered teardrop shape. So we're going to be measuring in grams first. So the stock shift knob, 141 grams. Versus 528 grams. What is that in ounces, you ask? Or pounds? It's 1.1 pounds. .3 pounds. So about 5 ounces. So about 18.5 ounces. That's quite a difference. So there's two ways I can do this. I can either take this nut off completely and we'll have a lower knob. It'll be like down to here. Or we put the nut on its lowest setting, and I think this is what we want to do because it gives you a little bit of extra height. And I actually kind of like that. So you just, there you go, nice and tight. And there you have it. Make sure you put some elbow grease on there and tighten it as hard as you can so it doesn't get loose while you're racing around. And it looks OEM. The shift leather is exactly where it's supposed to be, and it feels really awesome. I like it. I definitely like it. Alright, so it's all installed. I did my pedal spacer and the shift knob. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to go for a drive and show you guys how it's going to be. I'm going to actually use the car tomorrow, and I'll get a feel for how it's going to be, and I'll do a full review and update for you guys as soon as I get a good opinion of what I did. Is it worth it? Is it not? The whole thing cost me about 150 bucks, I think, with the shift knob. Maybe 200 bucks. Probably a little bit less, but it's a very easy thing to do and it's very worthwhile, and I recommend it. So as you may have noticed, it's already nighttime and I was working with the car's lights. I have to upgrade these to LEDs at some point. I will do that, and expect a ton more upgrade videos coming up. As you can see, we are heading into winter now. We are in the middle of fall. It's middle of October right now, so as you can see, we need to do more upgrades so we can get ready for next year's racing season. We have a ton of things. It's going to be around $3,000 to $4,000 worth of parts I'm going to be installing in the Type R within the next 3 to 4 months. So if you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe to catch up on those updates, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.